Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you stop Roblox crashing on your iPad. First, ensure your Roblox application is updated to its newest version available through the App Store. Next, verify that your iPad's operating system, iPad OS, is also fully updated in your device settings. A simple restart of your iPad can often resolve many temporary software glitches, so try that too. Finally, confirm your internet connection is stable and offers sufficient speed for online gaming. These initial steps often fix common crashing issues. Let's dive deeper into optimizing your settings. Try clearing the Roblox app's cache and data directly from your iPad settings. This can remove corrupted files. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox application might be necessary. Within the game, consider adjusting the graphics settings to a lower quality, which can significantly reduce strain on your iPad's processor. Also, disable background, app refresh for Roblox, and other non-essential applications to free up resources. To further improve performance, focus on your iPad itself. Aim to free up at least 20% of your iPad's internal storage space by deleting unused apps or media. Before launching Roblox, close all other applications running in the background to dedicate more memory to the game. Ensure your iPad is not overheating. Playing in a cool environment helps. Lastly, disconnect any unnecessary Bluetooth devices, as they can sometimes consume system resources and contribute to instability. If the problem still persists, it's time for advanced steps. First, check the official Roblox server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages affecting gameplay. If the issue is not server-related, contact Roblox support directly with details about your crashing problem. As a last resort, you might consider resetting your iPad's network settings. Finally, always ensure your iPad meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox to run smoothly. Hopefully, these tips help you enjoy Roblox without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.